What's going on, everybody? This is Muhammad, and in this video I'll be introducing a series that I call 5 Minutes of Automation. Recently I posted on Facebook about making tutorials on some sort of topics, and the majority of people voted for automation. That's why I'm going for automation. In this series I'll be using LabVIEW essentially as my software tool for developing programs that will serve as simulation tools for automation. And as for hardware, I'll get hold of National Instrument hardware such as CDAC or Serio. This series is going to be in English because I wanted to target as many audiences as possible. I'm gonna need your help, so to support this work by subscribing to my channel and sharing the videos with your friends who might be interested in it. I think that would be it for the introduction. Now starting with the first video, which is going to be a little bit over 5 minutes, but I'm practicing now, so I'll see how good I am along the way. Alright, so I'll be using LabVIEW 2014, and also I might be using 2017 depending on the laptop that I'll be using to work or to record the videos. So if you open the LabVIEW environment, and then this window will pop up, and then you've got two options right here in front of you: create a project or open existing. Existing means existing project or VI. Create a project means create a new project. We're not going to do either. We're going to start with the basics. So I'm going to define the basics starting with VI. VI stands for Virtual Instrument. And basically a VI is like a class that is equivalent to a class in Java or C#. So it's the basic component of a LabVIEW. So if you go to File, then you can create a new VI, or if you click Control and N, the letter N on the keyboard, you can open that. So the first thing you're gonna have is that those two windows be next to each other. And basically this is called front panel, and this is called block diagram. This is where your functional blocks of code go in, and this is where your graphical user interface goes in. So those are linked together. So what we need to know about this is that let's go over the menu, drop menu right there. So in File, those are common sense: open, close, and save. And create a project is something we talked about we'll talk in details about later in future videos. We want to know what VI properties means. This is a very important thing it's a very important feature about a VI. This allows you to customize the VI the way you would like. If you want to customize the icon of the VI, you can come in here and add whatever you want. You can delete this completely, or type in something, or you can do whatever you want. Add text, or layers, or even replace the entire symbol. Alright, and then, so if we save this, that goes in there. Next, memory usage, you don't have to worry about this. Documentation, if you want to write any documentation about the VI, it goes in here. Revision history, you don't want to have to worry about this. Editor options, we'll cover this in future videos. It's just the style of icons that you're working with. It's something fancy that has to do with the GUI. Protection. So say you develop some code and you think it's proprietary, you can protect it. But you've got two options: locked and password protected. In locked, basically you just log the VI, but you can unlock. Anybody can unlock it simply by going to Operate, change to Edit Mode, and then they can unlock it. If you want to protect it, then you have to add a username, a password, sorry. So there is our password. We save this, and then let's say we save this, whatever, I don't care about the name. We close this, and you gotta close LabVIEW completely for it to be effective. And then we go to the folder, which is right here, I believe, and then We open this, and now it is protected. If I come to operate and change that, this prompt will pop up, which is the password. So I'm going to add in the password and verify, and then I want to remove the password. Well, I don't have to worry about this right now. Now, Windows or window appearance. Sometimes you might see you want to customize how the window looks like. So by default, you get this ribbon here. You got the drop menus right there. If you don't want these to show up in your end application, the way to do it is to come here, and then you can show it as a dialog or a top level application. Dialog will basically, okay, I'm gonna have to put in something inside just to make it run. It's gonna loop forever now. So this is how a dialog looks like. Nothing. You either close it or you click on stop to stop it. We're gonna talk about this later, about how to program. Okay, and then next we can view custom. You can actually customize this. If you want to show the title bar, if you want to show the menu bar, the horizontal, vertical scroll bars, whatever. So everything, you can control it here. You can customize it the way you would like. You want it floating, you want it transparent, anything you would like you can customize using the window appearance. And then window size, if you want the program to run at a particular size, let's say 480, 720, whatever size you choose. So this has to do with the appearance and stuff. And this is runtime position. When it is in runtime, you want it centered in the middle of your window, minimize, maximize, custom. You can do all those options in here. And then execution. Execution is more like to set the priority of this. If this is important VI or not important VI, it is a subroutine. We're going to talk about these as we go along the way a project. So for now, we don't want to worry about this. Also, print options, how we want to print it. But yeah, this is a very interesting feature. Like VI op properties, a very, very important thing if you want to like customize your VI for a particular application or product that you're trying to develop. So this is all for the first video. I'm not going to talk much more about this. In the next video, I'll cover some practical stuff because some of those options are advanced, so I'm not going to be able to introduce them in the basic videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.